Привет, my Russian learners! Как дела? Как погода? So today I am ready to give you a new portion of letters. Are you ready to start? Okay. First, as usual, we'll start with a little dictation. I'll tell you some words, I'll dictate for you, and you'll write them down. Agreed? Let's start. So the first word is как. Много. Мало. Когда. Холодно. Плохо. Лампа тут. Антон дома. Она, Анна. Погода. Now please check here on the screen if you've written the words correctly. In this lesson, we will read a lot, so because reading is the most important part of learning. The more you read, the more you learn. So, let's start with a new consonant today. The new consonant is R. R. So, in fact, the letter is pronounced as R, but the sound is R. So, the same in English, rose, roast, so same sound. No, actually, not the same. When we say in English, we say rose, and your tongue is curled up in your mouth. But when we say R in Russian, so we put it just above the front teeth. R, R. Okay? So, let's try to read the combinations of letters. Ra, Ro, Ru, Ri, Ra-ar, Ro-or, Ru-ur, Ri-ir, Vra, Vro, Vru, Vri. And some words. Bar, Par, Dar, Tar. Tra, Ra, Tro, Ro, Tru, Ru. And some difficult combinations, but still you'll do it. Dra, Dro, Dru, Dri. Rva, Rvu, Rvo, Rvi. Now let's make some comparison of combinations and consonants. Vra, Vla, Vna. Vro, Vlo, Vno. Vru, Vlu, Vnu. Vri, Vli, Vni. And some words for reading. Okay, let's do like this. You'll see the words on the screen. I read for you first, and then we'll read together. Okay? So look. Парк, брат, торт, рыба, карта, группа, утром, урок, подруга. Aha, yes, very important. So in Russian, we don't pronounce consonants and vowels as they are written. So sometimes we write in one way but read in a different way. Same in English, but with not so much complicated. So there are consonants which can be voiced and voiceless. So voiced consonants are B, V, G, D, and they have pairs. Voiceless consonants P, F, K, T. Let's read them together, the pair, voiced and voiceless. B, P, V, F, G, K, D, T. So in these words, which I'm going to read now, the last consonant, which is voiced, becomes voiceless when we pronounce it. Клуб, Иванов, друг, город. And I think it's time to finish our lesson. Let's read little texts. I'll read little texts, then your homework will be to read them, and we'll check next time. We'll check how you understand, how you learn these words, and the writing. Вот карта, это город. Вот парк, там дом, это банк и клуб. Это урок, вот группа, это Антон и Анна. Это дом, вот комната, тут окно, там кот. So, the portion is over for today. Have a nice day. Пока!